the impact of climate change on flora and fauna. Every Friday, thousands of people go on the streets and demonstrate. But what are they demonstrating for? Their goal is to stop the climate change, stop the global warming, and prevent future trouble. Because the climate has more impact on our lives than we might think. German wine growers are one of the few winners of climate change. Because the global temperature is rising, it is too hot to grow wine in countries like Spain and Italy. Due to these temperatures, the optimal areas for growing the grapes are more in the north, at this time in Switzerland. Also in the northern part of Germany, it becomes possible to produce regional wine. The downside is the lack of hills, which makes it a problem to find the right sun orientation. Over time, farmers in Schleswig-Holstein will harvest more and better wine. One example for the climate change in Germany is the angular crab, also known as Gonoplax rhomboides. Normally, the crab lives in the northeast Atlantic and in the Mediterranean Ocean. Due to the climate change, the water temperature in the North Sea has risen and the crabs have increased their habitat up to the north. The first angular crab was found in 2000. Back then it was rare to catch a crab of this sort, but the amount has increased since 2000. Even though the crab is conquering our seas and doesn't have any enemies, it doesn't harm any plants or other species. But at the end, Germany also needs to take cover against the climate change. The climate change leads to many dangers. The most known and most dangerous tick in Germany gets affected by the climate change. The in the southern part located tick prefers warm locations and is more active in those. Therefore, it will increase the population north sides and spread their diseases rapidly. To put it all together, the climate change has a big impact on our life, even more than we think. The climate change doesn't always have a bad impact, but also the smallest aspects of the ecosystem can lead to big future trouble.